So I just ordered a FMF pipe for this 2019 YZ450. I bought it used with only 7 hours on it, but the guy bought it off of had a couple dings on the pipe. There's a dent in here. Otherwise, I would be keeping it. These 450's got plenty of power. You don't really need an exhaust, but it's a little sound test. Yeah, I'll be back once the FMF is on. There's the FMF. Woo! Looking clean. So yeah, I got the old pipe off. There's the dent. See a little better there. Still worked, but I think this will look a lot better. Well, got her on. Probably the easiest thing you can do to a dirt bike. Just the slip-on exhaust and do the full exhaust. Like I said, you don't need all this power on a 450, especially for my skill. But yeah, you just unclamp this bolt right here, and then you unclamp this one, and then the one just underneath the number plate. And yeah, slides right on out, slides right on in. Put the 3 bolts back on number plate. She looks pretty sharp. Hey Maverick, you like it? Go ahead, start her up. Oh yeah! Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I just can't wait to get it in 5th gear, see how she barks. Love the tip on these things, even though it's just a fucking decal. Still very, very nice. Well, till the next one, boys. Keep her wide.